We are a business that was started in 1885. This project that we got into turns out to be incredibly special.
The district cooling station went through a number of design iterations before we landed on the historical context of the cigar factory.
Marion has been a thin brick producer for longer than really anyone else in the industry.
It's a chiller building, so there's no roof on this building.
We had to apply thin brick to a 30-plus foot tall screen wall.
None of my colleagues in the industry have ever seen a 33-foot tall screen wall. Also is very unique because it sits right next to the Selman Expressway.
We've just begun.